Okay. See, actually, so before introduction about Azure AI, let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Shekhar, having 17 years of experience on Microsoft technologies. Currently, I am working as a Azure architect, AI architect. Okay, so this is my small introduction. So before going for Microsoft Azure AI, first I want to let you know what is the AI. So what is the AI? AI is nothing but the full form of the AI, artificial intelligence, which enables the machine learn, think, like, act as a human is called artificial intelligence. I am repeating. What is the AI? The full form of the AI, artificial intelligence, which will act like a human is called AI. Which will act like a human means here we are enabling the machines think, learn, act like a human is called what? Artificial intelligence. Simple word, human artificial intelligence like a simulation of human intelligence is called AI. So why should I go for AI? Simply we can say AI nowadays it is part of each and every sector. Okay, why should I go for AI? In the sense, AI is the mandatory. Now they are pushing for each and every department in entire world. Okay, whether it is government sector, banking sector, humans what is that, finance sector, automotive sector, every sector now part AI is a part. So why should I go for AI? Is it will reduce the human power, it will reduce the what, human working resources, human resources, and save the time and save the cost. Also what, we can migrate it into uh, advanced agentic AI, which will perform sequence of steps without intervention of human. He is called agentic AI. So what does that mean? You know, right, nowadays if you observe, if you take the last 5 years, how there is a drastical changes in IT. So initially my application in on-premises, to maintain the application it is taking lot of cost. Now the application is migrated into cloud computing. So after application migrated into cloud computing, they saved the cost. Okay, still people feel that there is a high cost to maintain the infrastructure, everything in, where is that, in cloud computing. Now, in order to save multiple activities, multiple tasks and all, AI came into the picture. What is the AI? If we implement the AI on top of existing applications, we can provide 100% accuracy. It is saving the cost. Also, it is taking very less time. Okay, best example, you know, right, there is a application. I want to develop one application for sales department. So assume that there is a 10 resources are required. So 10 into 6 months, they have to pay around 2 cores or 3 cores. So same way, to develop the application, if you use AI, so AI itself, it is generating 80% of code. Same application, we can complete it within 15 to 1 month if it is a standard application. So where is 6 months, where is 1 month? So within a 1 month, we are able to what? Developing the applications and publish for market. Here we are saving the time, also saving the cost. You know, right? Time directly proportional to money nowadays. It is same. This is basic funda. Every IT company they are following. Now have a look quickly. I will present one PPT.
Is it Azure AI is the tool? Because we have a couple of tools which could support AI, correct? So why would we go for Azure AI? Is
What are
that
the tools are there?
like we have a long chain, Hugging Face?
No,
Um,
they are not tools. They are frameworks.
yeah, that's a framework.
They are
Yes.
frameworks to develop the agentic AI solutions and all, right?
Okay.
Okay. So again, that is the development cost is, right. You are using lang chain, lang graph, lang flow. Okay, you have to develop the code from scratch. See, nowadays, Python developer lang chain and lang graph, whatever they have implemented. So the resource cost is high again. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So they have to pay like 80 lakhs to one core salaries, and for design, implementation, build and all, it is time taken. If you go for Azure AI, they are providing what? Multiple built-in components, which will satisfy agentic AI design build solutions. So that with less cost, we can implement. See, coming to the AI, there are two competitors only, Google and Microsoft. Okay, only AI, if we consider. If we consider cloud computing, who is the competitor? AWS and Azure. These two are two high paid cloud providers in the market. So I am not telling my story. So Microsoft itself, they have, what is that, announced that just 2 months back, sorry, 2 days back. Okay. So out of 100%, 80 rupees came from AI itself. Microsoft announced. So just assume that how much they are using AI. So internally, many people don't know in the market, lot of application already developing in AI itself and deploying in cloud, Azure cloud itself. By the time market is good about AI and all, already 50% of application already moved to AI. Okay, sorry. So that is the history of AI. Very simple. AI in the sense it enables the missions. What is that? It enables missions. What is that? Missions. Think, act like a human is called AI. Simply we can say you might have watched the Robo movie, right? Rajnikant Robo movie. So Robo is the mission. Am I right? So the mission will act based on Rajnikant directions. What does that mean? Here, missions enable think, learn, act like a human is called AI itself. Whatever the robo movie, if you might have watched, you can design the definition based on that. So based on Rajnikant directions, robo will act. Am I right? So if you might have watched the robo, so robo movie based on Rajnikant directions, robo will cook, robo will drive, robo do some surgeries, robo will drive the car, robo will park the car. What does that mean? These are the instructions provided by, what is that? Rajnikant. So what does that mean? Robo is the mission, enables, think, learn, act like a human is called AI. Robo, they implemented artificial intelligence technology itself. Okay, very simple definition we can say. Okay, clear? Yeah, next. Another thing is, okay, another thing is, I would like to explain about under AI we have sub branch. Okay, under AI we have sub branch. Sub branch in the sense AI itself one tree. Okay, under that we have machine learning. Under machine learning we have deep learning. Under deep learning we have what? Generative AI under. Okay, coming to another side, we have NLP capabilities. Okay, under NLP we have model learning algorithms. Under algorithms we have n number of algorithms, like we can say regression, lang chain. They are also implementing algorithm itself, machine learning under. So this is the AI itself. It is total tree. Under that we have n number of capabilities that we can implement our real-time solution. Okay, yeah, first see, I am giving quickly navigate, already you know about cloud. Okay, see, really previously, see, this is the architecture of on-premises. We have n number of devices. These devices are connecting to switch, and this is the database. These are all the hardware systems, server rack. To maintain entire infrastructure, we need what? Data center. To maintain the data center for our own, it is a high cost. Due to that, entire IT industry moved to cloud computing. Nowadays, small banking applications and government applications, except these two applications, already 80% applications running in cloud computing itself, guys. Even banking applications, most of the 50% are running in the cloud, remaining 50% high secure data and all, right, still they are maintaining on premises. Except these two sector, all other sectors application already they are running in cloud itself. Okay, yeah. Now, when I go for cloud, many things. See, you need not worry about data center operations. You need not worry about what is that? More operational excellence and all. You know, right? If you observe, my career started like 15 years back. So trust me, to build one virtual machine itself, it will take 1 week to 10 days, guys. So 1 week to 10 days in a sense, assume that. Okay, so during the time, we need operating system team, networking team, firewall team, storage team, and the operational team and monitoring team. These many teams are required. Now everything has gone in the market. Out of that, only one person came into the picture. That is the cloud engineer. He will perform each and everything. Are you getting, guys? Okay, so that also not required. Now they are saying that out of 10 members, one member is fine due to AI. That is the backend story. Now, when you go for cloud, we have three types of services: as, PaaS, SaaS. Okay, you can go for as, PaaS, SaaS. Out of them, all our Azure AI services comes under PaaS. So what does it mean? You need not even forget about infrastructure and all. Everything they have managed by cloud vendor. Just you need to deploy the application. That's it. What type of application? AI applications. So why should I go for AI? You know, right? Nowadays, you can go for any sector. People will say labor shortage, labor shortage, labor shortage. If you go for bank, check, there is a low number staff members, we cannot perform, it will take some time. Like that it will say. In order to avoid all these things, AI came into the picture. You know, right? Nowadays, customer expectations are high. If you go for anywhere, the things should happen within fraction of seconds. That is what customer expectation nowadays in the market. Okay, yeah, so that's why business at your doorstep. Nowadays, what is that? Business at our doorsteps. If you go for Zomato, Swiggy, we have other apps, online delivery apps, right? So what is that? Blinkit, everything. So when you book the item within 5 minutes, the items are there in our doorsteps. So what does that mean? Customer expectations are high. In order to fulfill that requirement, AI they are utilizing heavily in the market. Okay, yeah, next. So, what are the advantages of the AI? See, if you observe it is fully automation. Customer support, predictive analysis, image and speech, and natural language capabilities, data analytics. These are the part of AI. Okay, yeah, next. See, this is the architecture of AI. See, AI is the mission. AI is the mission. Think, act like a human itself. So this is the architecture. AI, under that we have machine learning. Next we have deep learning and generative AI. So what is the generative AI? It will generative AI is nothing but which will generate new content out of which is not already present in the market. Is called Gen AI. Okay, so generate AI in the sense it will generate new content out of which is not existing in the sources is called generate AI. So generate means you can generate the music, you generate the songs, you can generate new content, you can generate code, you can generate some audio, video files and all that we can call it as generate AI, guys. Okay, yeah, next. Now, see, so in AI, now they are implementing almost all these sectors: healthcare, finance, retail, education, market, entertainment, etc. etc. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the core AI, as I said. We have in the market Azure AI, Google AI, AWS AI. Out of that, every market competitor, especially in AI, Google and Microsoft, guys. These two sectors, there is a heavy competition, uh, heavy competition relevant to AI. Why? Because we have to consider infrastructure wise, facilities wise, and no code, low code, full code. You know, right? If you go for full code, again, project cost is increasing. Full code in the sense you have to develop scratch. Again, the project cost is getting increased for the clients. So that's why they have provided full three options. One is full code, low code, and no code. If you go for Google, you know, right? Google notebook LLM, no code. Okay, you know, banana, nano banana is the image generation under. So this is a fully no code. Images are generating without writing any code under. So using these tools, we can save the application's cost. Okay, that's why there are a lot of built-in tools came into the picture. Whatever the tools came into the picture, But most of the coming to enterprise consumer enterprise applications, 100% they will use trusted providers. Trusted providers means either they can go for Google or Microsoft or OpenAI and AWS. AWS, it is not in a AI marketplace, but cloud computing, yes, I can say 100%. If we compare to Azure and Google, Azure and AWS, both are similar. Both are market share is similar. Coming to the cloud, coming to the AI, Microsoft and Google is the competitor. Okay, so coming to the OpenAI, even OpenAI when you use, you should use it only Microsoft Azure. Why? Because there is a collaboration between OpenAI and Microsoft. Okay, you may have queried that can I use OpenAI with Google Cloud? No, there is no contract. You are 100% either you should implement OpenAI solutions with isolated or through Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, yeah, next. See, there is a strong collaboration between AI and human guys. Nowadays, based on directions, AI should work. Based on AI directions, you should follow. There is a tightly collaboration between human and AI. So if you observe, this is the what is the Microsoft Azure AI? Why should I go for Microsoft Azure AI? See, they have provided good infrastructure. Right, okay, you know, right? Microsoft has developed AI supercomputing data structure, data center, guys. They have invested billions and billions of dollars. They are developing only to support what is that AI supercomputing applications. Okay, cost also high, performance also it is same. Okay, now Microsoft Azure AI is a what cloud-based platform designed for developing deploying AI managed application is called Azure AI. Okay, yeah, next. So why should I go for Azure AI is, see, this is the pre-built services. You know, right? Nano Banana you people are using. That is the built-in service. Why you people are using Nano Banana to generate images with a beautiful architecture? No code. You are uploading the image, then changing as per your requirement. That's it. Okay. If you want to develop same kind of application from the scratch, that is kind of another product, another implementation. It will take long time. If you use pre-built services directly, it is work is simplified, saving the cost. Same way, Microsoft came up with high wonderful pre-built services, which is satisfying 90% of requirement from enterprise applications. Enterprise applications. So mostly they are using Microsoft Azure pre-built AI services. Still, Microsoft investing billions and billions of dollars to saturate the what is that AI tool in Azure cloud computing. Okay, every day we are getting lot of changes in the Azure portal. Okay, in order to they are streamlining. If there are any small bugs and all, they are streamlining it. Okay, it is the scalability. Based on the load, backend it will get increased or decrease the workloads and all. Integration, you know, right? Why Microsoft Azure is 50% in the market used by Microsoft product itself. So as it is AI, already they are using the application, they are providing seamless integration with other tools like Microsoft Power BI, Power Automation, Power Apps, and the data engineering tools like we can say Databricks, Data Factory, SQL Synapse, and the M365. All these are popular products. They are giving seamless integration so that Microsoft Azure AI is very popular. Okay, yeah. Next, secure and compliance. Nowadays, security is the primary task, right? So if you are not able to provide the security for customer data, who will trust? How will they will trust? So Microsoft now providing still what is that billions of dollars for security compliance itself. Okay, it is high secure. They are nowadays Microsoft doing encryption for networking also. So there is no even 0.0001% to hack the Azure data centers. Okay, yeah. Next, what are the benefits of Azure AI is seamless integration. I said right, scalable and secure infrastructure. Responsibilities of AI, you can access the tools. Whatever tools are there in the market. See, Microsoft came up with their own tools. If you are not happy, use other third-party tools, but use Microsoft Cloud infrastructure. Got it? So they are providing support in all four directions. Okay, so whichever you see comfortable, you can go and use it. Okay, whatever you said, what is that? Agentic AI, generative AI, okay, RAG models, everything they are providing. Okay, so if you want to consume third-party tools like Grok models, Anthropic, and the Mistral model, Hugging Face, all these models, try to consume it with Azure infrastructure itself. Okay, yeah, so this is your application can be deployed in three formats, guys. One is GPU, CPU, and TPU. Okay, so why GPU, TPU, CPU in the sense? Okay, so tensor process unit. GP means graphical process unit. CPU means central process unit. CPU is a legacy infrastructure nowadays. CPU is the legacy infrastructure. Now you have to deploy the application DPU or TPU based process. Okay, you know, right? Going forward, each and every product, whatever the home appliance you are using, that should be integrated with AI. Your mobile integrated with AI, washing machine integrated with AI, your fans integrated with AI, fridge, TV, and ACs, everything they are upgrading by implementing AI, guys. Okay, AI is a part of how we are using mobile day-to-day life, right? So AI going to be part of our life. That is mandatory. You should adapt it. Will you accept or not? That is secondary. We should adapt it. So this is about what? Smart story of AI. Why should I go for Microsoft Azure AI? Okay. Yeah. So this is the overview. Microsoft, they are providing four important, what is that? Certifications. AI 900 fundamentals. Okay. AI 102 is the Azure AI engineer. Okay, next, DP100 is what? Data science in Azure. DP100 is what? Data science in Azure. Okay, so these are the important. Architecture also it is same. You have to complete this one. AI 10, sorry. AI guys 102, sorry, AI 102, DP100, then complete the AZ305 architect. Then you can become as a Azure AI architect, guys. Okay, so this is the path, your career path you have to design how to follow.
The last
Okay.
one after one or AG 102 DP, then what are the another one?
AZ305.
305.
AZ305 is the architect, solution architect. Okay. Yeah. So practice it in next session. I will show you what are the syllabus I am going to cover for AZ102 and AI 900. We will see it both. Okay, guys.
Basically, so you are going to cover for the complete Azure AI and
Only completely Azure AI, correct.
okay. So you're going to like what all the things you are going to cover in Azure, like machine learning, deep learning kind of thing, or like how that AI.
Total, see, if I go for len.microsoft.com, certifications, okay, browse certifications. Okay, here, if I type Azure AI engineer, so two papers are there. Okay, AI 900, AI 102.
Mhm.
Okay, so if you consider this is the AI 102, see syllabus paper they are already introducing. Most of the questions and all you will get from these topics only, guys. Certified questions only. See, plan and manage AI solutions, implementing generative AI, implementing agentic AI, implementing computer vision, implementing natural language, implementing what? Processing solutions. So these are, what is that, guys? AI 102. What is that, guys? AI 102 paper. See, we have AI 102 study material. So you can renew the certificate already part of AI 102. So total, I will cover this one. Okay, so AI 102 and machine learning I will cover. So total 60 uh, days it will complete. It will take to complete it. Okay, so total machine learning again to complete it. It will take 45 days, guys. I will include basic. Why? Because along with AI 102, so they are touching small questions about machine learning. I will cover machine learning and all.
What is the prerequisite to get master in this? What is the prerequisite?
So for AI, to enter into the AI, so any technology people can enter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So another thing is at end of the day, destination itself, AI itself. See, now everyone entered to cloud computing only, right? You least bother. You are become BSc or some other sales department, IT department or something.
So my
100%
question
now.
is, when I say background prerequisite means, is there a Python? Do we require Python? Why?
102 and all Python not required. So this is
Mm-hmm.
the management pre-built low code, no code, right?
Mm-hmm.
But for Python, basics are required, basics are mandatory. That I will cover it in our syllabus.
So this Azure AI will provide the like third party models, like you can integrate with the which they have their own editor to develop the machine learning, deep learning, and NLP or LLM models and train the LLM models, or is that something we have to integrate with the Hugging Face, or something we have to integrate with
Yes, yes, yes. That there is a AI Foundry, Microsoft developed AI Studio. Previously,
Mhm.
we used to call it as AI Studio. Now we are calling it as AI Foundry. Whatever you said, each and every application you can develop it over there, inbuilt.
So we are going to see that also, correct?
Yes, yes, we are going to see that one.
So we are going to work on this, correct?
Yes, yes.
So at the end, are we going to show some projects also, correct?
Everything. Yes.
Okay, because it's something new. We wanted to know, since you are architect, we
Yeah,
wanted
one
to know.
thing, like you are working or student.
I'm working
Okay. So how many years do you have?
same like yours.
Okay. Yeah, so that all I will cover. Then you can understand. Yeah, 100% real-time professional must and should be lying into AI, guys. No doubt in that. 100% you should learn.
So when AI architect means, what is actually you guys are doing in the AI architect?
So same, generally, as a designing part, what you are doing in our project.
Mm-hmm.
Same we can do in AI. AI designing, implementation, execution, that architecture will implement. So customer came up with one answers. Okay, I have tons of internal document. Now I want to implement AI. What is the solution will you propose? That is the architect. If you have tons of documents to retrieve and summarize and give the answers for out of these hundred tons of documents, then here you have to implement AI. How we can implement? What are the solutions we have to implement? That you have to think and implement the POC. Once it is done, go for real
So
implementation.
will Azure AI also you build the rack systems?
Yeah, back systems.
So
Retrieve,
will they
augment,
have?
generated.
Yeah,
See,
will they have?
Azure AI, it will support 0 to 100, each and everything, guys. Okay, so you should not ask the question, will support Azure AI? This is not support, this is support. Everything it will support. That is how infrastructure they have designed. That's what I said one word, right? So Microsoft came up with what is that built-in enterprise supported applications, right? So if you want, you can consume it. If you are not happy with that, go for third party. There is a third party things are right? Models, growth models, and we have Mistral models, Hugging Face models. Also we have Anthropic models. They are providing the infrastructure. If you are not happy with them, whatever they have provided, just go and integrate with your third-party services for your solution.
So is that classes or is it every day 1 hour or like till Saturday or Monday to Saturday?
Monday to Friday. Yeah.
Monday
If
to
based on
Friday.
requirement, we will take it Saturday as well. Yeah.
It's a 1 hour class or 1.5 hour class.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Okay. So we are going to get the recording recording also, correct?
Yes, yes, they are doing recordings as well. Yes.
Okay. But we are going to get the recording also. So
Yeah.
tomorrow also the same time.
Yeah, tomorrow also same, 8 o'clock.
But
So,
if let me ask you a very blunt question, okay? If
yeah.
since we have only three people of three or four, three
Yes,
people,
yes, yes,
so
yes.
would you continue the classes or would you just wait for some more people or postpone the batch?
Yeah, yeah. So once batch is formed, no, we will continue only, guys. No worries.
No,
Okay.
I didn't get that answer. Yeah, I
Yeah.
still.
So once batch is confirmed, for example, today maybe they are busy with some other things and all right. So tomorrow, if we join, once batch is confirmed, then we will continue. There is no
Drive for
separate.
at least 4 to 5 days so that demo
Yeah,
classes
yeah.
so that.
That's what. We'll continue. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So we'll same time for the demo on the same same link, correct?
Yeah, same link, same demo. Yeah, timings
Same time.
also would be same. Yeah.
Okay.
So your name is like AZMD. I
Yeah,
don't
you can call
understand what
me
is
AZ.
it.
You can call me AZ, AZ. And also you're going to provide me the materials also, correct? To us.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. AZ in the sense Azure, huh? AZ in
AZ
the
in
sense
the
Azure only, Azure CLI.
yeah, it's like
What
A
is
to
that?
Z.
I thought
Okay.
that this is what is the some fake guy is joined just for time pass and all. Yeah.
It's easy to call, correct? If I give you my full name, it's difficult to call you. So if I say easy, it's that's how people call me. So if you say easy, it's easy to spell, correct?
Yeah, that is quite common. Some people will call it out. Some people will join AWS. Some people will join Azure AI, like that crazy names. That's what.
No, this is not a crazy name. This is my actual people they call me. Okay.
Okay, okay. AZ, right?
Just easy, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
If you really wanted me call, you can also call Ajubhai. So that also I'm fine.
Which one? Which one?
Ajubhai.
Azure, okay, okay.
So the Azaruddin.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
But anyway, thank you so much. I look forward to I
Yeah,
install
sure,
lot
sure.
lot.
Yeah, but wake up. This is the wake up time. Now market is fluctuating a lot. So if we enter into the AI, so 100% it will take 3 to 6 months to understand, to come to know. Then we can
Yeah,
enter into for
basically,
job
I
market.
wanted to get into the AI. I have some kind of knowledge on AI, but not on the deep knowledge. I want
Yeah,
to get into the AI and understand that architect level kind of thing. I hope you could help me or guide
yeah,
me.
100%. Yes.
Okay,
I
thank you.
start. Yeah, sure. That I will help you. Yeah.
No problem. So,
Any more questions? Easy. Amrut,
um,
Kiran.
yeah, okay, yeah.
But learn Azure, guys. I am not asking you come and learn from you only. So I can see market situations and all.
When I say learn Azure, what does that mean? It's a general statement. Learn Azure means it's a huge.
Azure AI only, I am telling.
Okay, okay,
Okay. Stick on Azure product. That's what I am trying to say.
okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll meet on tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Easy.
Let's
Yeah.
continue the
Thank.
batch. Don't drop the batch. This timing would fine for me
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I will do that.
because evening batches I may not be able to attend. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also not taking evening batches. Even I have office, right? Morning only 7 to 8, 8 to 9. That's
May I
it.
know if I ask you something, is that okay? May I know which company? Like the reason
At
I
end of
don't
the
I
batch,
don't
I will
because
tell
I
you made that. Yeah, this is
no
not
no
right time. Yeah.
the reason is yeah, just trying to see. Yeah,
Yeah,
no
sure,
problem,
sure.
sir. That's
Yeah,
fine.
sure, sure. Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye. Have
We'll
a
meet
great day.
tomorrow.
Take care.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.